The idea of a worldwide resurrection of extinct human beings is nothing for the creator of space-time. It's nothing. Faith in this reality is vital. If this is one of the foundational things that we need to press on into that mature and fruitful life, we have to hold on to this truth, even if it seems crazy and far-fetched. This is something we guard and protect, the future resurrection of the dead. Every conceived human being has a spirit. That spirit lives on beyond their physical body that is subject to the curse of decay. So again, whatever age they die, that spirit lives on. It will be reunited with a physical body in the coming day when Jesus releases his voice, and all who are dead in the ground will hear it and arise.